something new, learn something new. Welcome to your digital classroom. I am Saji Kevi and you are watching my channel, The Eureka. In the previous video, we learned Portia, disguised as a lawyer, has come to the court to decide the case. And then Portia, when she heard the details of the case, Portia approved Shylock's bond, saying that this bond has been made according to the law of Venice and Shylock has the right to claim for the bond. Shylock is happy as Portia agreed with the demand of Shylock. And then Portia asked Shylock to show mercy on Antonio. Then Shylock questions Portia by saying, under what condition should I show mercy on Antonio? Then Portia gives her historical speech on the qualities of mercy. Portia, the quality of mercy is not strained. The quality of mercy is not forced upon anyone. No one can force someone to show mercy. It is spontaneous. It drops as the gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath. It drops like the gentle rain from heaven to the earth. It is twice blessed. It blesses him that gives and him that takes. The mercy is twice blessed. Mercy blesses the person who gives mercy and who receives mercy. Thus, both the persons are blessed. One who shows mercy and one who is shown mercy also is blessed. It is the mightiest in the mightiest. It is the most powerful weapon of the most powerful man on earth. It is the noblest quality of the greatest person on earth, most powerful man on earth. It becomes the throned monarch better than his crown. It suits the king better than his crown. His scepter shows the force of temporal power, the attribute to awe and majesty, wherein does sit the dread and fear of kings. The scepter, the rod, the staff that the king holds in his hand shows the temporary power of the king on earth. Scepter is the symbol of temporary power of the king on earth. It attributes power and majesty, greatness to the king. Moreover, it creates fear and dread in the mind of the people on account of the power of the king on earth. But mercy is above the sceptered way. Mercy is above the temporary power of the king on earth. Mercy is an attribute of God himself. But mercy is above the sceptered way. It is enthroned in the hearts of kings. It is an attribute to God himself. It is engraved in the heart of the king. It is an attribute of God himself. It is a quality of God himself. An earthly power doth then show likest gods when mercy seasons justice. When a man exercises his power with mercy, he becomes God-like. Because mercy is an attribute of God, when the king exercises his power with mercy, he is God-like. Therefore, you though justice be thy plea, consider this, that in the cause of justice none of us should see salvation. If God were to follow the strict rules, then no one can have salvation. We do pray for mercy, and that same prayer doth teach us all to render the deeds of mercy. We pray to God for mercy, and that prayer should teach us that we should be merciful to others. I have spoken thus much to mitigate the justice of thy plea, which if thou follow, this strict court of Venice must needs give sentence against the merchant here. I have spoken this much in order to moderate your demand for justice. Otherwise, if the court follows the strict rule, then the court has to pronounce the judgment against Antonio here, and you will have the right to have the bond. Shylock, my deeds upon my head, I crave the law, the penalty, and forfeit of my bond. I take up the responsibility of my action. I ask for the law. I ask for the penalty for the breaking of the bond. I demand it. I want to have it. Portia, is he not able to discharge the money? Is Antonio unable to pay back the money? Bassanio, yes, here I rendered it for him in the court. Yeah, twice the sum. If that will not suffice, I will be bound to pay it 10 times over on forfeit of my hands, my head, my heart. Yes, I am willing to pay him twice of the amount, 6,000 instead of 3,000. And if it is not sufficient, I am willing to pay 10 times of the amount. And if I fail to do so, I shall forfeit my hands, my head, and my heart. Yes, if I fail to pay 10 times of amount, I am willing to pay the penalty. If this will not suffice, it must appear that malice bears down the truth. If it is not sufficient, it shows that malice, the cruelty, has overpowered the truth. And this is another offer Bassanio makes to Shylock to save Antonio from the clutches of Shylock in the court. Yes, he is willing to sacrifice everything for Antonio. And I beseech you, rest once the law at your authority to do a great right, do a little wrong, to curb this cruel devil of his will. Therefore, I request you to twist the law with your authority. Change the law with your authority. Do a great act of kindness by changing the law. Make some changes in order to perform an act of kindness and control this evil man from carrying out his will. Portia, it must not be. There is no power in Venice can alter a decree established. It cannot be done. I cannot change the law of Venice. There is no power in Venice that can change the established law of Venice. It will be recorded for a precedent, and many an error by the same example will rush into the state. Therefore, it cannot be. Moreover, this will be quoted an example to commit more errors, many more errors in the state of affairs of Venice by quoting this example. Therefore, it cannot be done. Shylock, a Daniel come to judgment. Yeah, a Daniel, a wise young judge. How do I honor thee? Yes, a Daniel has come for the judgment. Daniel was the prophet of Israel, who was known for his wisdom and judgment. And thus, Shylock compares Portia, the disguised lawyer, to Daniel, who is known for his wisdom and judgment. And you are a wise judge. I cannot honor you in words. Portia, I pray you, let me look upon the bond. I request you, please show me the bond. Shylock, here it is, most reverend doctor, here it is. Yes, here it is, most reverend doctor. Portia, Shylock, there is thrice thy money offered thee. Yes, you have been offered thrice of the amount. Shylock, an oath. I have an oath in heaven. Shall I lay perjury upon my soul? No, not for Venice. I have to keep an oath that I have taken by heaven. I shall not commit the sin of breaking that oath, even if you were to offer me the entire wealth of Venice. That is to say, I shall not break my oath at any cost. Portia, why this bond is forfeit? Unlawfully, by the law, Jew may claim a pound of flesh to be by him cut off nearest the merchant's heart. Penalty which is mentioned in the bond has been incurred. He has broken the bond, and therefore the Jew can claim lawfully a pound of flesh that is close to his heart. Be merciful, take thrice thy money, bid me tear the bond. Shylock, be merciful, accept thrice the sum that is offered to you, and let me tear off this bond. Shylock, when it is paid according to the tenor, when it is paid according to the spirit and words of the bond, you may tear it. I want the pound of flesh that is mentioned in the bond. Afterwards, you may tear off that bond. It doth appear you are a worthy judge. You know the law. Your exposition hath been most sound. It seems to me that you know the law of Venice very well, and you are the supporter of the law. Therefore, your understanding of this case is most reasonable, and I charge you by the law, wherefore you are well deserving pillar, proceed to judgment. Therefore, I charge you by law. You may proceed to pronounce the judgment. By my soul, I swear there is no power in the tongue of man to alter me. I stay here on my bond. I swear by my soul, no person can change my decision. No one can change my decision. I wait for the bond. Antonio, most heartily, I do beseech the court to give the judgment. Most willingly, I request the court to pronounce the judgment. So, Antonio has resigned himself to his fate and willing to accept the judgment of the court. Portia, why then it is this? you must prepare your bosom for his knife. Well, then, it is this: you must prepare your heart for his knife. Shylock, O noble judge, O excellent young man, you are really a noble judge. You are really an excellent young man. Portia, for the intent and purpose of the law hath a full relation to the penalty which here appears due upon the bond. Now, in every meaning and scope, according to the law of Venice, you have the right to the pound of flesh of Antonio, as he has broken the bond. Shylock, it's very true, O wise, upright judge. How much more elder art thou than thy looks? It is true, you are really wise and a virtuous judge, an upright judge. You are much more wiser than you look. Portia, therefore lay bare your bosom. Therefore show your heart for the Jew. Shylock, yeah, his breast, so says the bond. Doth it not, noble judge? Nearest his heart, those are the very words. Yes, his heart. Yes, the bond says, it is close to the heart. I should cut a pound of flesh close to his heart. These are the words of the bond. Thanks for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe, like and share.